Hey guys, quick hands-on first impressions of the Infinix Hot 70i based on the early trailer and preview footage. So straight up, this is clearly an entry-level phone, and it doesn't try to be anything else. You're getting a 6.6-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which honestly feels decent for scrolling and everyday apps. It's powered by a Helio G37 chip, so think basic performance. WhatsApp, YouTube, light browsing, no serious gaming here. Battery life looks like one of its strongest points. From what I'm seeing, this is the kind of phone that can comfortably last a full day without stressing you out. Cameras? Fine in daylight, but don't expect much once the sun goes down. The good thing is, Infinix is keeping it practical. Charger in the box, case included, headphone jack still here. So here's the verdict. If you just need a reliable budget daily driver, it makes sense. But if you want gaming power or premium camera shots, you'll want to look higher up the range.